sa skin. Dahil ang naiinitan na ba ang inyong balat dahil sa matinding sikat ng araw? Mag-Jessie & Co. Deep Hydrate Face and Body Serum Lotion ka na. Meron itong SPF 45 upang maprotektahan ang inyong balat dahil sa tindi ng sikat ng araw. A serum lotion that is best for treating or help prevent dry rub, itchy, and other minor skin irritation.
It has glutathione that protects the skin from the free radicals and oxidation damage. It also helps reducing inflammation and promoting healing. Additionally, glutathione can help lighten skin pigmentation and improve overall complexion.
But there's more! It also has glycerin that acts as a humectant, which is a substance that allows the skin to retain and moisture. It can increase skin hydration, relieve dryness, and refresh the skin surface. It's also emollient, which means it can soften our skin.
Kaya bili na kayo.
Tara, be, bili na tayo.
Oo nga, need na ng skin natin yan.